Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto options trading platform, and TradeX.live, a platform where you can trade both national and international stocks and commodities. Nifty hit a fresh all-time high and then corrected a little bit. For the past 15 months, Nifty makes a big move on the very first trading session. That has been the trend for so many months. The first trading session, Nifty has moved more than 100 points in most of the time. In fact, March month, it was moving leaps and bounds, but sometimes in the middle of March, and all the bad news came, like SEBI directive on mid cap, small cap, all those kind of things. So corrected, but now Nifty has completely recovered what it has lost in the middle of March. But however, the global markets are far higher than where they were trading in the middle of the March. So we have a lot more to catch up. So I hope, in the coming weeks, we may catch up. Last year, the first trading day low was not broken for many, many months. So going by that logic, today's low should not be broken in the month of April. So let us see that happens this month or not. HDFC Bank may break out, and technically today HDFC Bank has become long. Not only HDFC Bank, even the Bank Nifty has become technically long, but whereas Nifty has not become long technically. Today morning I told you, technically Nifty becomes long once it crosses 22,535, but today's high was 22,529 and then corrected about 50-60 points. Reason very simple. So at this high, FIIs like to book some profits, and today FIIs have sold for about 500 crores, but the domestic institutions have bought for 1,200 crores. And the domestic institutions' money power, I would say it is extraordinary. It may even take the Nifty to 24,000 very easily during next 2 or 3 months. Markets are behaving as if, there is no parliament election. And look at the VIX. VIX crashed again today. It went very close to 12. And just 2 months away, we have a parliament election. And usually ahead of the parliament election, VIX used to shoot up, 30, 35 like that. But this time VIX keep on going lower and lower. So that shows that the market is convinced that the parliament election outcome, there is going to be no surprise. So it's going to be as expected. But what is as expected? It depends whether you support BJP or whether you support opposition. But as far as the market is concerned, no matter who wins, the markets will be good. The problem for the market is only when there is a hung parliament. So at least at this point of time, market is sure either ruling party will win or opposition will win. There is the probability of a hung parliament is very, very, very low. So that is what is being reflected in the market. So otherwise, just 2 months ahead of parliament election, just only 20 days away for the first polling, Tamil Nadu goes for the first polling. Market, VIX crashing like this is unusual. So expecting some kind of a range bound market, people are taking short straddle heavily, and 22,500 short straddle is being taken aggressively. Bank Nifty is long, and who knows if US markets are good, but tomorrow Nifty also can become long. But even if Nifty becomes long, I think the upside potential may not be very, very high. Once again, just like the first 2 weeks of March, so April series may go for 22,000 on the downside to 23,000 on the upside. So that should be the range, at least, until the corporate results start coming in. But except TCS, the rest all coming towards the end of the third week or the beginning of fourth week. Now, by that time, the time value would have gone already for April series. So a lot of action we can expect only in May series based on the corporate results. So meanwhile, in the morning, US markets were really very good, but now, some kind of a selling is happening. But again, these are all only pre-market only. So Indian time at 7 p.m. only, the US market starts. So I will have a big trouble because I shifted to Singapore, and in Singapore, US market start at night 9:30 p.m. Singapore time. It goes until 5 a.m. in the morning. So that means the whole night I cannot sleep. Then again, the next day I have to observe the Indian markets, for doing pre-market and post-market. So anyway, so life is like that. So nothing can be done. So Dubai is the best place to trade both Indian and US markets. But for one or the other reason, I've come to Singapore. So I'll be in Singapore at least for about 15-20 days. So HDFC Bank is very, very interesting now. It has been consolidating for the last 3 months. And today, technically, it has become long. So it'll be interesting to see how the Bank Nifty will move from here. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Since there is some lighting problem in my house, I'm staying in my friend's house. The lighting is not very, very good, So that's why I'm just doing audio. We'll try to rectify the problem as early as possible. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio podcast. Thank you for listening.